Hello and welcome to my second video for CSIR UGC NET 2019 solution videos. So I will have 55 videos for 55 physics question for June 2019 question paper. So without wasting our time, let's start. So we have the question which goes something like this. A particle moving in central potential is described by a wave function given by ZFR, where R is the position vector of the particle and Fr is mod of R. If L is the total angular momentum of the particle, the value of L square must be. So out of the four options, you have to find what is the value of L square. So at first, let's look at the spherical coordinate. So here you can clearly see that Z is actually r cos theta. Just a recap. Okay, so we can write that psi of r is equal to f of r times z, or we can write f of r cos theta, or we can rearrange and write r f of r cos theta. Now I think this is familiar to you, and this one, if you recall, the spherical coordinate is y10. Also note that if you recall the angular momentum operation, y2 L square y Lm can be written as L into L plus 1 h cut square y Lm. So here you see that the value of L is 1. So then we can write L2 psi of 10 is equal to 2 of h cut square psi of r. So this is a quick way to solve this kind of problem. This hardly will take you 20 or 30 seconds to solve this problem. You don't have to actually write the equation, and so on. So this is how you get the equation. So the answer is 2 h cut square. This is how you solve this problem. Hello there. If you like our videos, do consider subscribing to our channel. It really helps us to keep motivated and create more. Thank you for watching. Take care.